今年咧，我哋一位交換生啦，就 Emma 咁嚟到我哋學校啦，進行一個1年嘅一個交流。我哋亦都將會有同學咧就會去法國咧，就係進行一個交流嘅。作為接待學校啦，咁我哋就可以多啲機會可以安排我哋嘅學生啦，如果有興趣嘅話咧，咁佢可以去到外國不同嘅地方咧進行一啲交流嘅活動啦，咁亦都可以接待一啲世界各地啦不同嘅文化嘅一啲15至17歲嘅同學仔嚇，咁嚟到我哋學校之後咧就可以進行學習，令到我哋學校現有嘅同學仔咧可以多啲機會咧去認識一啲世界各地不同嘅人啦嚇，可以認識不同嘅文化啦。咁另一方面咧，就因為佢哋要同一啲外國嘅人咧去進行一啲深入嘅交流嘅時候咧，好明顯咧就可以提升到咧大家使用個英語嗰個氣氛。
This exchange experience really opened my mind. I had to face many new experiences, which I wasn't used to. So I had to step out of my comfort zone and living in a new different world with new different cultures, personality, even to overcome many difficulties in life. So this could really help me in my career. So I'm really thankful for this exchange experience. And I would like to do something similar in the future. I would like to have this chance again in my life because I'm really grateful for what it brings to my life and what it actually changed me as a person.
It's a surprise. Are you touched? Are you touched?
之前咧，我其實係一個比較迷惘嘅一個方向啦，同埋就自己可能有啲時候唔夠自信果斷啦，想改變啦。咁去呢個交流之後咧，可能會更加認識到自己啦，變得更務實同埋更加堅定啦。發現咗其實自己嘅社交能力可能冇自己諗嘅咁強，但係我反而個邏輯能力可能比我想像中咁強啲。所以對我嚟講咧，我就係積極去融入人哋啦，同埋去融入適合自己嘅社交圈啦。可能係舞會啊，或者係演奏樂器當中交到新嘅朋友嘅。
透過呢個計劃咧，咁就更加能夠促進到一啲跨文化嘅交流嘅，從而咧令到我哋嘅同學仔咧能夠更加放眼世界啦嚇。喺認識自己嘅同時咧，更加能夠體驗到咧其實世界各地不同嘅文化，提升咧同學嗰個自主學習嘅能力啦，加強佢哋溝通嘅能力啦，同埋解難嘅能力等等。